We all know that accidents happen in the shop, some minor and some more serious. The Woodworker's First Aid Kit prepares you for woodshop accidents in an easily storable and portable kit. Designed for woodworkers in partnership with MyMedic, the leader in elevated first aid, this kit features products for woodworkers unlike any other on the market. Featuring a folding page design for enhanced organization, the individually packed items keep things sterile and easy to find. There is an assortment of general medications, scissors, and a mini toolkit that includes tweezers and a pen light. Also included are cleaning wipes for before the bandages. And then the Super Skin bandages designed for better protection and comfort. A bandage isn't always the answer, and that's where Liquid Skin can help out. When a wound might need stitches, zips can make that happen in the shop. Not all wounds bleed, so we've included help for those situations too. And sometimes the new work boots just aren't broken in yet. For more serious wounds, Quick Clot can be a lifesaver. And for even larger accidents, we've included a chest seal. And one of the fastest acting tourniquets on the market. There are many other items inside, including a hydration kit, shock treatment blanket, gloves, and a CPR shield. It's always better to be prepared, and the Woodworker's First Aid Kit will make sure you're ready for anything.